Today I'm making Miso Nikomi Udon, a classic Japanese dish that you can easily make at home. When the air turns crisp and cold, I always crave this warm and comforting noodle soup. Let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients. Cut the long green onion diagonally. This makes it easier to eat and adds a beautiful look to the bowl. Slice kamaboko, the Japanese fish cake, into quarter-inch thick pieces. First, insert your knife between the wooden base and fish cake to detach it and slice vertically. Next, cut aburaage, that is fried tofu pouch, in half diagonally and then cut into thin strips. Cut shiitake mushrooms in half diagonally. This one was frozen, so it will become nice and soft once it's cooked. Finally, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces against the grain. This way it cooks faster and becomes tender and easy to eat. Now let's cook. Bring water to a boil, then add the dashi pack and simmer according to the package instructions. This is such a convenient product. You can make a quick and delicious dashi, especially when cooking a small portion. You can also use katsuobushi dashi or even instant dashi powder if you prefer. Once the dashi is ready, remove the pack and add the chicken. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Then add the rest of the ingredients: aburaage, shiitake, and green onion and kamaboko. Add sugar and miso and give it a gentle stir to dissolve. Now add reheated frozen udon noodles and cover again and simmer for another couple of minutes. And look at that! The udon noodles soak up the rich miso broth and turn beautifully brown, and look so cozy and comforting. For the final touch, crack in one egg and cover and cook for one last minute. And your piping hot Miso Nikomi Udon is ready to serve. The chicken is tender but bouncy, and the long green onion adds lovely and natural sweetness. The runny yolk clings to the noodles and making a creamy and rich sauce. You can easily make variations. Use regular onion instead of long green onion or swap chicken for pork. But don't skip the egg. Just to make sure safe to eat raw when you choose the egg in your area. This udon noodle soup will warm your body and soul and truly satisfying taste of Japanese winter. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!